Hello everyone, welcome you all to another video of the Research Lab channel. And today in this video I am going to demonstrate you how to map your heat source profile in Fluent using UDF. For this uh, you need some basic things like your profile, then UDF case file. Okay, so let me open the case file. The case is loaded in Fluent, and now you can see this is the geometry I'm going to use for mapping. So I'm going to map at this surface, not surface, in the thickness. Okay, so this is the entire TUI commands for mapping. Actually, maybe some people can ask me why I'm using TUI, not GUI. So the problem with the GUI is you have to involve a lot of steps, and each and every time you have to go there and click and then select the file, upload, and then do the process. So that's a time taking process, so that's why I switched to the TUI. So let me copy and paste in the Fluent interface. Once your UDF is compiled in Fluent, so you will get extra folder here in your at the place where you're keeping each and every files. So you will get one extra folder, libudf. Okay, so now this is initializing, and now also I will run some iterations so I can show you the mapping. After this, the code will read the profile. So you can see here. So this is profile. Now this is done. So let me run it for 2 iteration. I know it's taking time, but it's fine because I'm using more than uh, 1 million points. Okay, so the iteration is done. Now let's check the contour. Here, let us start from temperature. Okay, so this is the temperature profile, temperature contour. Okay, now UDS. You can see the contour. I know this is not very perfect, but it's just 2 iteration. Maybe yeah, this will be perfected once you run more iterations. Now UDM. Okay, okay, let's verify it. So I have a contour in my paper. So this is yeah, this is heat flux profile for this heteroconical receiver. I know this is not perfect, but it's just 2 iteration. Maybe you can run some extra iterations so you can get proper smooth profile. So I guess you can use this thing for mapping, this technique for mapping in your case. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.